guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The World Fire. I am Sakshan Gupta and presenting my first video on Indus Valley Civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So let's get started. Indus Valley Civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. A recent discovery suggested that Indus Valley Civilization is at least 8,000 years old, not 5,500 as previously believed. According to the Times of India, the Indus Valley Civilization, also known as Harappa Civilization, it exists at least 8,000 years ago, making it one of the oldest civilization in the world. Now let's discuss about Indus Valley Civilization sites like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan, Dholavira, Rangpur and much more. Some books on Indus civilizations like The Indus Civilization, A Contemporary Perspective and Empires of the Indus. Firstly, we discuss about Harappa civilization, region, culture and excavations. In 1920, the first extensive excavations at Harappa were started by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Shahani, and he now became the excavator of Harappa. Harappa is about 2500 to 7000 BC, and it went into the decline around the 900 BC probably. Harappa is an archaeological site in Punjab, now Pakistan, about 24 km 15 miles west of Sahiwal, near the left bank of river Ravi. The city is believed to have as many as 23,500 residents and occupy about 150 hectares, means 370 acres. Their houses made with clay brick at its greatest extent during the major Harappa phase, which is considered large for its time. Excavations of Harappa. In excavation of Harappa, a red sandstone linked male is appeared, followed by dancing Nataraj and virgin goddess seal appeared. Harappans trade. Harappans had trade with ancient Mesopotamia, especially Elam. Mainly cotton textiles and agriculture products were the primary trading objects at that time of Harappas. Unfortunately, Harappan site damaged by British ruler. The ancient city of Harappa was heavily damaged under the British rule when bricks from the ruins were used as track blast in the construction of Lahore-Multan railway. In 2005, a controversial amusement park scheme at a site was abandoned when the builders unearthed many archaeological artifacts during work. And the artifacts of Harappa are A document from the Pakistani archaeologist Mohit Prem Kumar to the Ministry of Culture resulted in a restoration of the site. Restoration of Harappa site. Inside the city, to the right of the four-bladed drain and gateway is an area of that has been identified as a craft quarter. The another major site of Indus Valley civilization is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro region culture excavations and decline. Some scholars believe Mohenjo-daro means the Mound of Deed was an ancient Indian city located on the west bank of the Indus River. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro were discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. The civilization city has flourished between 2600 to 1900 BC. Mohenjo-daro is located in west of the Indus River in Larkana district, Sindh, Pakistan, in a central position between the Indus River and the Ghaggar Harka River. Some weight were discovered near building located on the citadel just south and west of the Great Barn. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro contains a rectangular pool built from waterproof bricks. The pool measures 8 feet depth, 39 feet long and 23 feet wide. Excavations of Mohenjo-daro. Beard man's figure made of Setitite, the figure interpreted as a priest and wrapped in a shawl coming under right arm and covering the left shoulder. Dancing girl made of bronze, approximately 4-inch high figure of girl. This is the one of the best artifact from the Indus Valley. Painted earthen jar made of a potter's wheel with clay. The shape was manipulated by the pressure of the crafty figure of the potter. After baking a clay model, it was painted with black color. Mother Goddess. This figure a usually crude standing figure adorned with the necklace hanging over the prominent breast and wearing a lawn cloth and a grid. Seal of Pashupati Mahadev. The shield depicts a human figure seated with crossed legs. An elephant and tiger are depicted to the right side of the figure, while on the left a rhinoceros, a buffalo are seen. Seals. Thousands of seals were discovered from the site, usually made of Setitite and occasionally of aggregate, chert, copper, finance, terracotta. Many models and ornaments are. Drainage system of Mohenjo-daro. The ruins of the sewer system showing some clay pipes and a well. Mohenjo-daro's chief glory was a complex system of drains that run throughout the city. Stone games, dice, carved pawns, balls carved of stone and clay tracks. Archaeologists think that these artifacts uncovered at Mohenjo-daro were used to play games. Toys of Mohenjo-daro, a tiger, an elephant, and a pottery field cart pulled by 2 bulls. These models are made of terracotta. Decline of Mohenjo-daro. From the late 90s, historians believe that the Mohenjo-daro was destroyed due to the tectonic shift in the region. According to some archaeologists, tectonic movements blocked the course of the lower Indus River, which must have caused flood that submerged the city.